In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send automatic receipts for payments in Stripe. Whether you're managing multiple customer transactions or simply want to save time while maintaining a professional image, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to automate your receipts efficiently. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your registered email address and password, then click Sign In to access your Stripe dashboard. Make sure your login details are correct to avoid any access issues. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard, which is the main area for managing your account and payments. From here, click on Settings. This will open a list of configuration options for your account. Next, look for the section labeled Account Settings. Under this category, click on the Business tab. Don't worry if you see several options here. We'll be focusing on just one specific section. Within the Business tab, locate Customer Emails. This is where you'll configure how and when Stripe sends automated emails to your customers. Once you're on the Customer Emails page, look for the toggle switch labeled Successful Payments. Enable this option to automatically send receipts to customers whenever their payments go through successfully. This ensures every transaction is acknowledged instantly without you having to send emails manually. You'll also notice another toggle labeled Refunds. If you want Stripe to send automated refund notifications to customers whenever a payment is reversed, simply turn this on as well. This keeps your customers informed at every step and adds a professional touch to your service. To make the process smoother, ensure that your business email address and branding settings are properly configured under your account. This way, your receipts will look professional and match your brand identity. Once you've completed these steps, Stripe will automatically handle the sending of receipts and refund notifications for all future transactions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to send automatic receipts for payments in Stripe easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.